Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cole if you're new here. If you notice, I am to the side because today I have a special guest. Come here. A butt plug. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, we are going to be doing, as you read from the title, doing my makeup in a microscope. I'm really excited. So this microscope really worked. Yeah, so we're going to be doing our full face of makeup, and between each layer and each step, we are going to be looking under a microscope. I'm excited to see what my pores are going to look like, what eyeshadow looks like. Yeah, so basically my main reason why I wanted this video is because I really wanted to see if primer actually works. Does primer really fill in your pores? I'm so excited! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. I think I'm gonna do one side silk canvas, which is from Tatcha, and then the other side with Professional. It's just a mini. I really like this primer. Oh, this is brand new. I'm actually leaving for LA tonight, which I'm really excited for. Yeah, this one's a lot easier to use, but I feel like it's not as silky. So let's go in now. See if there is any smoothing effect or if there's any really big difference. Okay, wait, it looks a lot smoother. It really does. You can even see like the cracks of where. Ooh, that does not look cute. Ew, what is that? Definitely looks smoother. Let's look on this side. This side, there's a bunch of white stuff. The Tatcha one is supposed to be like a skin protectant. Let's turn off the light a little bit. So I would guess I would expect a little bit of a layer, but I don't see as much smoothing as I do on this side. What the fuck is that? Ew, that looks disgusting. Let's see if my acne spot looks smoother. Ew, that looks disgusting. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, I guess we start applying foundation now. This is the Morphe blender. Just looks like a sponge. Ew, this part has like a tiny bit of like foundation residue on it, I guess. Ew, let's look right here. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. I don't even know what that is. That foundation? But my foundation is not that pale. Oh, I think this is powder, so I'm trying to zoom in because it's like. Oh, I almost dropped it. Guys, this little microscope thingy was $20, and look how cool it is. I'm gonna have it linked below if you guys are interested in buying it. It's really fun. Me and Brian were playing with it for a while. Okay, I can't really get to focus, so let's go with my Black Beauty blender. This one I did use yesterday though. Oh, bitch. Ew, even like the clean end, like the part that I barely even use, the middle, looks so dirty. Ew. Oh no, God. Oh my god, you guys. See, I mean, it's pretty dirty, but look at that. It looks so weird. So we're applying foundation now. Going with my Urban Decay All-Nighter. This foundation is a little light for me, but it oxidizes. I heard people like the sound. Nikki Tutorial says that her followers like the sound. Guys, like how good and full cover this is. So basically, I'm using all my favorite products at the moment, so you guys can actually like get some like makeup stuff. I don't know if you guys are like looking for certain powders or certain foundations. I really like this product because this foundation in particular makes it look like a baby doll. I have a really nice smooth skin. Besides, recently I've been breaking out, which is really annoying. And I love the Tatcha primer. The reason why I showed you guys the Benefit Professional as well, it's just because it's really popular and I know a lot of people use it. Yeah, it seems like they both did a pretty good job of smoothing. I think the Tatcha one might have done a little bit better, but Tatcha has no silicone in it, I believe, and the Benefit one is like literally just straight silicone, so that's not really good for your skin. If you guys have like really bad cystic acne or anything, and you want to cover it, I would honestly recommend this foundation too, because it doesn't like bunch up. As you can see, like it still looks really smooth in this area, and it's like a soft matte. It's not like matte, but I would say this is more towards oily. If you have oily skin, I personally have dry, but I love this foundation. Let's see how this looks. Oh my god, that looks so scary. Oh my god, this looks dirty. Oh my god, let's look over my pimple. Ew. Oh my god. Okay, well that was actually like actually scary. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my concealer, but I'm just gonna set it right after because I feel like I can't really show it. Now setting it with the Too Faced Born This Way powder. And then I'm just gonna set my whole face with this Maybelline Super Better Skin. It is so good. Oh my god, it's so good.
Really?
I love it. It's my favorite.
Is it new?
They like had it and they like, I don't know, they got rid of it for a second, but I think it's because they added more shades. There's like 3 shades now. Okay, so now that we're all powdered, let's see if there's any difference. Oh my god, it literally looks like a desert and there's like stuff like trapped in it. Oh my god. Look at all those lines. That's why we need Botox. I have this little hole right here. Look how nasty that looks. Oh my god. That's when my sister stabbed me with a pencil. My pores still, I mean, that's still like, I mean, obviously super close. It would look all cracky and gross, but it still looks really smooth. Especially right here where my pores should be the worst. And then going back in with that Too Faced powder and just baking the sides of my cheeks. Sick. Let's look and see what the powder looks like. Oh my gosh, that looks way drier. And you can see glitter, which is weird. Let's look at the powder. Okay, there's like little glitter in it. That looks so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so much fun. We're going with one of my favorite. I totally forgot about this highlighter. It's Uranus from Jeffree Star in Manny MUA. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love the little symbol in here too. It's really cute. I love Jeffree's highlighters, you guys. Highly recommend. I'm going to be taking this on my Anastasia A23. This brush looks disgusting. Yeah, and it is. Ew. I go in with a small hand first, and then I like to spray the brush. When you spray Jeffree's highlighters, oh bitch, it's over for these hoes. No one can compete. Okay, so now I'm just taking a little bit more, like just a tiny bit more. Oh my god, that is sickening. Oh my gosh, look at that highlighter. Oh wow. Let's see what it looks like in the pan. That looks really gross. It looks like there's like a bunch of different colors. Oh yeah, there definitely looks like a bunch of different colors on the highlighter too. So pretty. Can you see the star? So we're gonna go in with the Kathleen X Colourpop Zodiac, which I'm excited to use. It's hard because I don't know how to show you guys. I can't like not move. Oh, that is not cute. Ew, you can like see in between them. Ew. Ew, that looks disgusting. We're done with that. I just don't feel like putting on a whole liquid lipstick, so we're just gonna go with the gloss. This is a blue one from Urban Decay. Ooh, it's really pretty. Yeah, it's good. How's it look under camera? Oh, that's pretty. Wow, this is really pretty. Okay guys, so I guess we're gonna set in this ugly ass mug with this Morphe setting spray, of course. Honestly guys, this look really isn't that bad. It's actually kinda cute. I look thick. Well guys, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really interesting. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys!